Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Ali, and in this video we are going to talk about the new sales tax collection rules for Canadian Amazon sellers. The Canadian government introduced a new marketplace tax collection for sellers on Amazon.ca to collect and remit Canadian sales taxes. Now, as you can see, it says for sellers on Amazon.ca who ship goods to customers located anywhere in Canada from a location in Canada and who have not registered the GST HST with Amazon will be responsible for calculating, collecting, and remitting GST HST on your domestic transactions starting from July 1st. On the other hand, it says if you have registered your Canadian GST HST number with Amazon, MTC rules do not apply to you. Any obligation that you may have to calculate sales tax on your Amazon.ca sales and remit those taxes remain yours. Now, what do you need to do? If you have a GST HST number, make sure it's up to date on your Amazon FBA account. If you don't, I highly recommend registering for GST HST and start collecting your sales tax from your customers. Now, let me quickly explain why. So every month Amazon sends you a new monthly FBA tax invoice. Now, this is the GST HST sales tax that Amazon charges you on their FBA fees. I'm sure you pay GST HST on your other business expenses like shipping by UPS, Canada Post, or for purchasing your inventory. Every month, these GST sales taxes that you paid are going to be hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. Now, these are all input tax credits. If you don't know what input tax credit is, that's your problem. I'm just kidding. Input tax credits are credits that Canadian businesses can claim for sales taxes paid on items they purchase to produce their goods and services. Now, you might be eligible to claim some of these taxes as credits and reduce your total GST HST tax return. So every year that you file your GST HST return, you'll enter the GST HST collected, which is the total sales tax that you collected from your Amazon customers. And in the next line, you'll enter your input tax credits, which is the total of all of the GST HST taxes you pay to Amazon or UPS or Canada Post and so on. And what happens is that every year thousands of dollars of sales taxes that you collected from your customers remain yours, and you do not have to remit a big portion of that to the government. So it's an extra few $100s every month that you don't want to miss. I mean, you can just look at it as a new cash flow of hundreds, if not thousands of dollars every month, and you definitely don't want to miss that. So I highly recommend registering and getting your GST HST number and start collecting those sales taxes as soon as possible. Now, if you're getting value, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And make sure you watch one of these videos next, because as I mentioned, there are tons of Amazon FBA tips and tricks in these videos that you don't want to miss. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.